Hello guys, good morning. I'm here again, anak ng magsasaka. Now is November 30, 2023. I am currently inside an airplane here in Hong Kong on vacation to Philippines. I'm arrived at Clark International Airport. Here it is guys, the Bugalyon Town Pista called Kalutan Dalan. I will be grilling pork and milk fish, and there will be drinks like alcohol and soft drinks. Thank you Lord that I was able to attend the town fiesta. Thanks also to the organizers, our mayor and all municipal officials. Here are my eldest and youngest children, together with their friends. I'm thankful that I had the chance to take even 4 days vacation, and I still enjoy my short vacation. Yan ang aking panganay at ang kanyang girlfriend. At yan naman ang aking bunso sa dulo ng lamisa, nagtataas ng mobile phone. On our left side are residents from Barangay Hacienda. And we are from Barangay Fortik. Yan ang aking panganay at ang kanyang girlfriend. Sila ang kapamilya ng kanyang girlfriend. Ito naman ang aking kumare, si Maylin Carabaca Mina from Poblacion. Here guys, everyone is happy. Families, youth and their friends. It's time for dancing. See guys, they are great dancers. Bilang isang OFW, ang saya-saya mapanood ang mga kabataang nagsasayaw at sobrang saya. Ito ang aking mga kumare, si Mari Mitch at si Mari Mylin. Yon, nag-enjoy sila sa pagsayaw. Tignan nyo guys, ang saya-saya ng mga kabataan natin.
If I hurt you, then
Ito ang dalawang ang kumare, Mari Mylene at saka si Mari Mitch. Sorry guys, hindi ko nagamit ang original music nito dahil sa copyright. Sinadya kong umuwi guys para makipista at para masanay ang aking mga binata na hindi sila maging mahiyain. Mag-enjoy lang sila sa buhay. Ito na guys ang aking mga binata, ang aking panganay at ang aking bunso. Nakikijoin ako sila para masanay sila na hindi maging mahiyain. I'll fly my drone to see the top view and witness how joyful our fellow countrymen are. Here is my friend and her husband celebrating the Kalutan Uddalan event. Ito naman ang aking kumparing bilas, Renante, at ang kanyang asawa si Hipag Jumay. Ito ang aking hipag, pinsan ng aking asawa, si Teacher Jumay, at si Renante Anting. I fly my drone to see the top view of Kalutan Uddalan Town Fiesta sa ating mahal na bayan, Bugalyon, Pangasinan. Sorry guys, I cannot keep my drone lower because of the electric wires. It's for our safety, especially with many wires hanging. Ito ang aking kumari at ang kanyang Mr. Mitch Kalugay. Yan ang Kalutan Uddalan Bugalyon Town Fiesta, November 30, 2023. Yan ang Kalutan Uddalan Bugalyon Town Fiesta, November 30, 2023. Hindi ko maibaba ang drone guys kasi sobrang dami ng mga wires na naka dyan sa daan natin. That's it guys. Thank you and see you again next 2024 Bugalyon Town Fiesta, November 30, 2024. See you again guys. Parang mahirapan ng bumaba ang aking drone sa dami ng wires. Bye, thank you Bugalyon Town Fiesta. Maraming salamat.